Swimming in the Seine River, a guide to Paris's new swimming spots. Dive into the unthinkable. Swimming in the Seine is now a reality. Imagine taking a refreshing dip in the heart of Paris, surrounded by the City of Light's iconic landmarks. Sounds like a fantasy? Think again. Last summer, Paris's mayor Anne Hidalgo made a splash, literally, by swimming in the Seine River just 9 days before the 2024 Paris Olympics. This bold move marked a turning point in the city's decades-long $1.4 billion effort to make the Seine swimmable for all. But here's where it gets interesting. From pollution to pools, the Seine's transformation. After successfully hosting Olympic triathlon events, Paris continued to monitor and improve the river's water quality throughout 2024. The results were nothing short of remarkable. This July, the city opened 3 officially designated swimming areas to the public, allowing up to 1,000 people per day to swim for free until August 31st. But don't just take our word for it. Daily bacteria testing and a color-coded flag system ensure safety, with real-time updates available online. Experience the magic. Meet the swimming spots. These carefully designed facilities reflect Paris's ambition to reclaim natural spaces for its citizens and provide relief during increasingly warm summers. Each spot is equipped with lifeguards, pontoons, ladders, showers, lockers, and changing rooms. Yes, you read that right. And they even offer free sunscreen. Bercy, the smallest site, welcoming 150 swimmers at a time, with shorter weekday hours due to tourist boat traffic. No changing cabins are available, so come suited up. Children must be at least 14 years old. Bercy, the largest site, accommodating 700 people simultaneously, with 2 bathing areas separated by a lateral protection. Restrooms, changing cabins, and showers are available. Children aged 10 and up who know how to swim are permitted. Bercy de Grenelle, the only site with a secure pool for children and families, 40 to 60 centimeters deep, accommodating 200 people at a time. Children must be 14+ years old to swim in the bottomless area. Children 3+ years old can use the secure pool with a parent. But what about the concerns? Despite strict safety protocols, some concerns about historical contamination linger. To alleviate these worries, swimmers must wear yellow lifebuoys, and daily bacterial monitoring has proven effective in keeping swimmers safe. In fact, over 50,000 swimmers have participated since the site's openings on July 5th, with no reported health issues. The future of Seine swimming. Weigh in. As Paris views this summer as a crucial pilot phase, we ask, should the Seine swimming experience be extended beyond the summer months? Share your thoughts in the comments. With the city aiming to expand access in 2026, this brief summer season might just mark the beginning of a beloved new Parisian ritual. Ready to take the plunge? Visit Paris.fr for more information on swimming in the Seine. And remember, no swim caps are required, just a proper swimsuit.